Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the fourth episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 4. How to enter a no-show. A no-show is defined for the purposes of the MDS as an individual not giving 24 hours notice of non-attendance. Log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the client you wish to enter a no-show service contact for. Once the file is open, click the Add Service Contact button. Select the appropriate drop-down option under Main Service Type that was scheduled to take place. For example, Counseling Session. Select your name from the Practitioner drop-down option. Enter the service contact date if not already populated. Under Did the participant attend no-show indicator, select No, client or other scheduled attendee was a no-show. Selecting this option will automatically pre-select and block out several mandatory fields. Under Session Type, select Individual or Family did not attend. Complete the remaining mandatory fields. Mandatory items are marked with an asterisk. Once all mandatory fields have been entered, click the Save button in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. This will return you to the Actions page of the referral. You can now exit the client file.